Hello, Abningan Saise Hornbill TV. Sub Desh Day Armed Forces Veterans Day Manigna Ahyanishna. Aji Walford Colony Camp Timopure B Armed Forces Veteran Kange. Taken Liga sacrifices respect or honor Dina. Armed Forces Veterans Day Manishe. Spear Corps Indian Army Para Hoskurina. Program Day Lieutenant General Apijit S. Pendarkar, AVSM, YSM General Officer Commanding Spear Corps Para Grace Kurisha.
आज मैं लोटे आर्म फोर्स वेटरन डे दे एक्स आर्मी मैन आसे सर मोहन के जॉइन कुरियाने कुरिदा करने बिशी थैंक यू आज अपने ला इतो आज मनीगना आहा लगा ऊपर दे किनिका लगिया से इतो फर्स्ट अपने मोहन के लब शेयर करिए
सबसे पहले आपकी मीडिया चैनल के माध्यम से आज हमारे हिंदुस्तान के आर्म फोर्सेस की 9 टाइम्स वेटरन्स सेलिब्रेशन डे की नाम से आपको बेहद शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। इस माध्यम से इस वेटरन सेलिब्रेशन डे की वास्ते हमारा देश में जो शहीद हुआ है उन लोगों की जो आत्मा है वो अपना अपना कब्रिस्तान से आज जाग रहा है और हमारा हिंदुस्तान की तमाम युवाओं की इससे फसल हिम्मत बढ़ता है कि हम इस तरह से अपना देश की रक्षा के लिए हम बलिदान के लिए हम तैयारी है।
अच्छा सर अपनी नागा मनो होइले भी हिंदी बाल बड़ा खोया से एक्स आर्मी मैन आसे तो अपने ला बैकग्राउंड होइले भी की लगा रैंक ते अपनी सर्व करेगा रिटायर हुआ लाज
शहर में एक बहुत से गरीब परिवार का एक भूतपूर्व सैनिक हूँ। मैं जब छुट्टी सरकारी प्राइमरी स्कूल में पढ़ते थे मैं चाहता था कि मैं अच्छी इंसान बनेगा और अपना देश की अधिकारी बनेगा, लेकिन खुशनसीब उस मंजिल नहीं पहुंच सका। लेकिन मेरा तकदीर ऊपर वाला ने ये दिया कि हिंदुस्तान आर्मी में भर्ती होने का और मेरा सर्विस मैंने 15 साल 10 महीना इंडियन आर्मी में सर्विस किया। उसमें मैं फुटबॉल में सर्विसेज टीम में था, ईस्टर्न कमांड टीम। उसमें काफ़ी साल तक मैंने सर्विसेज नेशनल लेवल में खेला और 1990 को रिटायर होकर के आज तक नागालैंड की आर्म फोर्सेस भूतपूर्व सैनिकों की वाइस प्रेसिडेंट से आज तक आर्म फोर्सेस की नागालैंड की जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी ऑल इंडिया आर्म फोर्सेस की परमानेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर की हैसियत से अपना सैनिकों की सेवा में है।
अच्छा ठीक है तो आज याते आर्म फोर्स वेटरन डे ते अपना भी माटी के ना याते आहा तो किनिका लगिया से अपना भी
ভাল লাগিছে দুখি লাগিছে আৰু মইতো মুতাটো হবলদাৰ না ৰাজেশ সিংহা তো তাইতো 5 গাৰ্ড আছে কোম্পানীটো তো পঠানকোটে তালা ইনকা হৈছে কিবাটো আজি বেন্ড্ৰেস দিলা এইটো প্ৰগ্ৰামতে মাতা কাৰণে আইছে বেছি খুশি পাইছে
মতা লগা অলপ কৈ দিবি তাই কি না একবাৰ কৈ তাই কিলা ইউনিট দি থাকিছে পঠানকোটে কিতিয়া মৰিছে
পঠানকোটে ট্ৰেনিং একটা থাইছিলে না তো তাই এনেকাতে ষ্টক হৈ কিনা মৰিছে দা
इतना अपने ला मुता ना ताकि भी अपने अनके याद करेगा ना अपने अनके हुदाई साल मनी के ना आहा टाइम दे अपने अनके मती के ना इधर प्रोग्राम दे भी अपने अनके ऑनर कोरिया से तो इतु लगा ऊपर भी इतु प्रोग्राम मानने लगा और अपने अनके ऑनर करा लगा ऊपर भी एकता दुटा खुशी ला एकता शेयर कर दिबी
खुशी ला माने इतना तो पेंशन ठीक ठाक पाया से ने सरकार खान पर भी साया से मोहन के ना सिपाही खान पर নে ঘৰতে দুইটা বাচ্চা মই নে থাকি আছে ভালে আছে ভাল পৰা থাকি আছে
I was maybe the first Naga to become a lieutenant colonel to command the battalion in 1981, 82, 83. Before that, I was an instructor in National Defense Academy, where our corps commander and all the chiefs of army staff, they were my cadets. The one who is going now as a Mizoram governor, he was my cadet also. So I'm an old man. I'm running 87. Before you were born, before your parents were born, I was there. So that is all I can say. I left my village, Chanki, when I just finished my class 4. Class 4 that time, people who were 18 years, they were in class 4. So luckily my father was a school teacher and my elder brothers were all studying in high school and colleges. So they used to, whenever they came home, they used to teach me 1, 2, ABCD. So I didn't do class A, I went to class B straight away. And when I was about 11 years, my colleagues were all 14, 15 years old. So I am from a village. So I know the village problem. But then I left early. After that, I didn't go back. I did my high school, college, and after passing PA, I joined the army. My eldest brother, Penwati, Dr. Penwati, Reverend Penwati, he asked me to give myself to the Indian nation during 62 Chinese aggression. So I joined in 62 academy, then 63 I got commissioned. After that I went to National Defense Academy as an instructor, as a captain, and thereafter I went back to the battalion to Arunachal area. I commanded the 9 Assam Rifle Battalion, the band which is playing now. So I was happy to meet all of them. But this did not be recorded or written in the paper. What I want to say is that the present corps commander, Abhijit Patongar, was not there even as an instructor when I was there in India. But he is from Assam Regiment. He commanded Assam Regiment Battalion, where most of them were Nagas and Northeast people. And he has come as a corps commander here. We are very lucky. Because of him, all these organizations he has arranged. And he is very friendly with us. In fact, I couldn't have come today also with a stick walking, but he rang me up a couple of times. You must come, sir. So I came, and we are all waiting for him. We should be grateful to him as Nagas,
Hello.
as a Northeast.
Good morning, everyone.
So
Before we get into our program, we have some
we are
special number presented for you all. First
very
of all,
thankful
I would like to call
to him.
upon Ms.
And when I
Rose
came
Muri
here
for
now,
the dance.
I saw
And
the
after
band
dance,
playing
I request Ms.
from my
Rose
old
Muri for the
battalion.
solo as well. Thank you.
So it was nice talking to them. The present corps commander who commanded Assam Regiment, he has organized all this. Before he came, I don't think we had any function like this. We should be grateful to him. in all Naga regiment, Assam regiment, and all the tribal Jawans, they should take example of this, that they can also become officers, even the ladies and the gents. There are very few young people coming up to be the officers cadre. So you should all encourage our Naga boys and girls in the Northeast boys and girls to join army. There is nothing like army. You are giving yourself for the nation, for your state, and for your people. That is what I want to convey.
Good morning, gentlemen. I'm Colonel Shukla. I'm the PRO Defense for Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. I welcome you to the Armed Forces Veteran celebrations here at Dimapur. The day is celebrated in the memory of the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa. On 14th of January, he retired. Since then, we are having this day across the country. This year, a special emphasis has been given towards the Veer Naris, the families of the departed soldiers, and to thank all the veterans for their sacrifice in the line of duty, sir. So various functions have been conducted pan-India, right from Leh to Kanyakumari. All army units, naval units and air force bases were involved in hosting their respective veterans from the region and felicitating them, listening to them and paying our gratitude at all levels for their services. This year also a lot of initiatives towards the one rank, one pension related issues regarding the recruitment schemes for the ex-servicemen. Also the ECHS facility. Now it is further extended in Nagaland. We have 3 welfare nodes, you can say, based one each at Kohima, Dimapur and Mokokchung. There are various hospitals which have been empaneled across the country to provide a seamless treatment for the ex-servicemen community and their families. So in case those people who couldn't attend this event and they wish to get in touch with us, you are most welcome to reach out to any army unit near your village or near your houses to reach us, and we definitely make an endeavor to resolve your issues.
On behalf of the Indian Armed Forces, I pay my deepest respect to all of you as we gather to celebrate this special occasion of the Veterans Day. Indian Armed Forces Veterans Day is observed every year, as you are aware of, in honor of our first Indian Commander-in-Chief, Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa, who led the Indian Army during the 1947 war. This day is dedicated to all those brave soldiers who selflessly served the nation, dedicating the most valuable years of their lives to its defense and pride. Today is a day of immense pride for all of us, and it is my privilege to stand here before you and be part of this celebration. Each one of you has served the country under challenging circumstances, safeguarding its security and upholding its honor. On this day, I humbly express my gratitude, admiration, and respect for the sacrifices and dedication of our brave soldiers in the past. You have given your best years to ensure the security and glory of our great nation. Our veterans are indeed the pride of the Indian Armed Forces. You have set the ideals and traditions upon which the foundations of our armed forces stands today, and one which we all follow. Your dedication, courage and selfless service have made our nation strong and secure. Even today, many of you continue to contribute to society in diverse fields with your knowledge and experience. Your achievements are an inspiration to all of us, and the values you have established will always be cherished by all of us. I would like to especially thank our Veer Naris on this occasion. Your extraordinary courage and sacrifice are no less than those of the soldiers who laid down their lives for the nation. Your role in supporting and strengthening the spirit of service is invaluable, and we remain deeply indebted to you. The Spear Corps is fully committed to the welfare of our veterans and their families. Whether it is the pension, medical facilities, or other welfare schemes, we are constantly striving to ensure that you and your families face no inconvenience. It is our responsibility to provide you with the respect, dignity, and facilities that you rightfully deserve. Today, as I address you from this platform, I feel immense pride. I also take a moment to remember the brave soldiers who are not with us today, those who sacrificed their lives for our nation. Their supreme sacrifice will always remain etched in our hearts, inspiring us to continue serving our country with utmost dedication. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you. Your service and sacrifice are indelible part of India's history. We can never forget your contributions, and the entire nation remains eternally grateful for your selfless devotion. Jai Hind.